Look how his poll is below his withers. That's what we're looking for. If I can keep him there through the trot and then keep him there through the canter, it's going to be a very nice trot and canter. So his head's down. Now we're going to start asking for the trot. So a key ingredient, what's very important, is whenever I put some energy to him, I don't let him pick his head up for the trot. I make sure his head's down before any transition. Head's down, I ask for the trot. Look at that. You can just hear it, flop, 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 flop. You get the most gaited horse you can find. If you can bury his head, he's gonna trot for you.